In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Elementor Auto Update. We'll move carefully through the process so you know exactly what you're doing and why it matters. Disabling automatic updates can be helpful if you want full control over when changes are applied, especially on production sites where a surprise update could affect layouts, widgets, or third-party integrations. Just remember, with great control comes responsibility. When auto updates are off, it's important to check for updates regularly and plan them when you can test safely. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Plugins section, then select Installed Plugins. This is where all your active and inactive plugins are listed, and it's the control center for enabling, disabling, or updating them. If you don't see plugins in the menu, you might not have the right user role. An administrator account is typically required to manage plugins. On the Installed Plugins page, locate Elementor in the list. If you have a long list of plugins, use the search box at the top right to quickly filter by typing Elementor. That narrows the view so you can focus on the plugin you want to change. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct plugin entry. Once you've found Elementor, look across its row for the Automatic Updates area. Depending on your theme and WordPress version, you'll either see a column on the right labeled Automatic Updates or a small link beneath the plugin's name. Click the link that says Disable Auto Updates. After you click, the link should switch to Enable Auto Updates, which confirms that automatic updates for Elementor are now turned off. You might also see a status message indicating that auto updates are disabled for this plugin. That visual change is your confirmation that the setting has taken effect. From this point forward, Elementor won't update itself automatically. That means you decide when to update, allowing you to schedule maintenance windows, back up your site, and test compatibility first. A practical tip is to set a recurring reminder to review plugin updates, check the changelog, and apply them during a time when you can monitor your site. Security and stability are key, so don't let updates pile up. If you don't see the Disable Auto Updates option, your hosting provider or a site management tool might control updates, or your WordPress setup may present the setting differently. In that case, check your site's update policies or reach out to whoever manages your hosting. That's it. Quick, clear, and under your control. Thanks for watching, and happy building.